All right, we just released our new Hunterworks primary clutch, and in the introduction video I mentioned about how quiet it was. So I was out here today doing yet another test. Actually, it has to do with our thick belt and a washer for it. And I was like, hey, I'm going to be having a vehicle running, let's do a comparison. I had the OEM primary on here first, and then I switched over to the Hunterworks primary. So, you know, as they say, the proof is in the pudding. So I thought I would put two short clips of what an OEM sounds like and then a Hunterworks. And the big difference, if you go back and look at our introduction video, is how we do our spider buttons and the cushion that we put behind it. So Hunter is doing editing on our videos today, and we're gonna stick a little clip in here of the OEM primary and let you listen to it. All right, so there you go. That's what an OEM sounds like. Now part of the noise that you hear is from the space between the spider buttons and the towers, but one of the main reasons that is because an engine has reverse pulses. So if you could catch this thing in super slow motion, the engine would be kind of oscillating even though it's turning one direction. So that space, that's where the noise comes from. Clackety, 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 clack. All right, so that's OEM. Now, let's listen to the Hunterworks primary. All right, so as you can tell, it is significantly quieter. You hear more of the exhaust than anything else. We're just tickled to death to introduce our new primary, and of course, noise on anything drives people crazy. We've had to talk about it over the years, people complaining. Yet one more thing that we fixed on a Hunterworks primary. So, as he said, and I'm repeating, proof's in the pudding. We proved it. If you got any questions, holler at me. Todd at hunterworks.com is the best way to get me, and appreciate you guys.